Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today's video is a 2019 4Runner door dent grocery cart in a parking lot. Rode down the hill, hit the door on this vehicle, caused a little scuff mark in there and no scratches really. So let's take a look and see what we got. The dent in the 4Runner. This one is actually a very challenging dent, mainly because it's on the curve of the panel and it's not flat. So you have to look at it from multiple directions: up, vertically looking down, horizontal looking sideways, and underneath the dent looking up. So that's what makes those parts of the panels difficult to repair, is that where they're located on this door. If you ever get these, just look in multiple directions and work it slowly. So what I did on this, I took the door trim panel off the vehicle, and to get these Toyotas out, they're almost all the same. You should always look for these little trim pieces, such as this little rectangle here. This is mainly on 4Runners. Usually the other vehicles don't have them. Just pop it off. There's always a little Phillips screw. That's all they use is Phillips screws on Toyotas to get trim panels off. And there's usually about 3, maybe 4 screws. They're all hidden. You're never going to see them. You got to take a little piece off to get access to it. And then once you do that, it just pops right off. Very super easy. Pull it from the bottom, and then once you get it wiggled out, lift up, and it slides right off the door. And once you do that, you need to take this molding off here. It snaps into the interior trim panel, and it keeps the glass from getting scratched or whatever. It's got a little felt piece on there. And you just use your clip tool to go up underneath it and pop out those little tabs, as you can see here. And they slide onto the door once you take it off. That little metal piece right beside my finger, those are what snap into the trim panel. And you have to take this off the interior trim panel before you can put it back on the car. Otherwise, you're gonna never get it back on. You're gonna be killing yourself. So just take that piece off, snap it onto the door, and then once you do that, the interior trim panel just snaps into place on the door and into those tabs. And you can use a razor blade to get the dust barrier off. It's very simple. It's got that adhesive right there, and it's the cleanest way to get the dust barrier off. And what I did here, I just rolled it out of the way instead of taking it completely off the door. I just rolled it that way. It just made it easier for me. And I'm using my B&D door stopper. I don't know what it's called really, I forget. Door jammer. And I use it just to stabilize the door, to keep it from wiggling, and it's very stout and steady. You can see I'm moving it, it's not going anywhere, or I'm attempting to move it. Got some good access to get to this dent. You can see it's a sharp dent actually. It really kicked my butt. This was not an easy dent by any means. I almost told the customer, hey, it's not gonna be perfect. I wasn't gonna be able to get it, but I think I spent like 2.5 hours on this dent, if I recall. Yeah, something like that. It was not easy. It looks small, but the sharp dents are always very difficult, especially on curvature panels, curves like that. So what I did was very simple. I used a combination of sharp tip tools and a combination of soft tip tools, like the Dentcraft R4 cherry tips, and I just slowly moved the dent out until it came out. And it was very difficult. There was actually another crease about 6 inches long below that dent. The customer didn't want that fixed. He only wanted this one, or I don't even think he even noticed it really. But for this dent right here, I charged $187.50. And actually, yeah, that's what it was. Customer gave me $200 cash, so made out okay on this one. It wasn't the greatest job in the world, but I'll take $200 for a couple hours of work. It's not home runs, but you can see the dent's kind of mounted now. It's an Audi, and you can see there's the other crease at the bottom where the grocery cart hit it. And I'll be honest, I didn't even notice it either until I was like midway into this repair. So that's kind of on me as well, not just the customer. And really couldn't notice it without a light. It was weird, just very odd. So once I get this part, I just do a lot of tap down work and clean it up. And once I get it pretty flat, I wet sand and buff it, and it helps relieve some of those sharp little high spots I created, and it removes that scuff mark in the panel. And once I finish the repair, I use my Easy Coat corrosion protectant. It matches that factory color right there. I think this is the grayish green. And once it dries, it's good to go. You don't have to worry about corrosion at all. If you can get to the access, make sure you put corrosion protectant on there to protect the passenger or protect the vehicle. So this is that piece I was telling you originally. Snap it onto the door and make sure those metal tabs are back in place. Those ones I'm pointing at. Every single Toyota has these. And those are there's where it snaps into. See, I missed one right here. You gotta take that off. I'm using the clip tool. You take it off and then you snap it back into place on the door. Otherwise, you're not getting that trim panel on properly. Cannot stress that enough. Make sure it is back in place. And now the trim panel just snaps in there super easily. Please take these off. So this is the after, and it came out excellent, very excellent repair. And at the end of this video, I'm going to be showing some behind the scenes, like behind the dent, where I'm actually using the tips. You're going to see the tip pushing the panel. So if you want to see that, just wait till after the credits, and it's going to show up. I know a couple guys like Dent Zero, he's asked me to show that, so it's going to be at the end of this video. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you have any questions about anything, feel free to reach out to me. I answer all the questions. And guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a good day.